Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bliss Style. My name is Mohammed Waleed and we are unboxing and diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So what are we waiting for? Let's get this box open. Okay. Wow, the packaging feels premium. So left hand side we have the name itself in the white box, and the seal is already open for the open box delivery. Let's open this again. So we have a white box which would contain the accessory like a charging cable. Amazing, the watch itself looks absolutely stunning. The classic design with the rotating bezel. Let's look that later, and we'll open the box of accessory where we have the charging dock and the paperwork, of course, and nothing else. So let's get started with this warranty card we have. Okay, next we have the user manual, I believe. Yes, so we'll check that later. Let's see the magnetic charging dock. So let's check if it can hold the Galaxy Watch. I don't feel so because the watch is a bit heavy. Yeah, the magnet is not so strong to hold it up. So let's keep that aside and turn on the watch itself. So let's get started with the first impressions, and I am loving the build quality. It would feel solid and premium on the wrist. The display is incredibly sharp and vibrant, and that rotating bezel is a game changer for gesture, navigation, and much more. It's so intuitive. And when talking about the sensors, it has a bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor for body composition analysis and an optical heart rate sensor. Health monitoring features such as advanced sleep analysis and women health. It comes with an Wear OS powered by Samsung. Typical usage time up to 40 hours with call function, touchscreen, fitness and outdoor that Samsung claims. I have been using this Samsung watch for multiple days, and when I tried listening the music over the Amazon Music by using its own LTE, that is the mobile data, I was facing some heat issues, and whenever the watch becomes too heat, it shows a pop-up as the watch is heat and let it cool down. So it activates the flight mode and cools down, and again your watch will be ready. Because the processor has just 2 cores and with an internal memory of 16 GB and a processor speed with 1.18 GHz, and the Bluetooth feature call function works well. The Bluetooth version has a 5.0. Display resolution is 330 into 300 pixels. The display size is 1.4 inch. The display type is Super AMOLED, and all the fitness and watch functions are running very good. The buttons are two on the right hand, which also uses as a sensor for body composition analysis by bioelectrical impedance analysis. You can also play YouTube as shown in the screen in this watch. So when you swipe right, there are some daily activities which calculates your steps and calories, etc. And it also has a blood pressure ECG. Blood pressure and ECG is only compatible with the Samsung mobile phone only. And talking about the battery usage, it comes around 1 day with all the features on. If you turn off some features, it might end up coming to 2 days, and if you are just using the watch only option, it might come up to few weeks. So if you are looking for a stylish and feature-packed smartwatch with a classic look, then absolutely the combination of Wear OS and Samsung's One UI watch brings a great user experience. However, when keeping aside the heating issues. But overall, I'm really happy with the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. It's definitely a strong contender in the smartwatch market. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thank you for watching. Bliss Style signing out.